Welcome to the future of hobbies. In 2025, AI-powered hobbies are set to revolutionize how we engage with our personal interests. Imagine diving into creative pursuits like AI-assisted painting, where algorithms help enhance your artistic flair, or exploring virtual gardening, where smart tech optimizes plant care. These innovative hobbies not only spark creativity, but also foster personal growth by pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. Embracing these advancements in technology allows us to explore new dimensions of our interests, making our leisure time more fulfilling and exciting. Join us as we uncover the fascinating world of AI-driven hobbies that will transform your everyday life. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. In the realm of creative writing, AI tools like Jasper are changing the game. These writing assistants can help you brainstorm fresh ideas, making the creative process more dynamic and less daunting. Imagine having a virtual collaborator that suggests plot twists or character developments, sparking your imagination. Beyond brainstorming, AI can refine your writing style, offering suggestions to enhance clarity and engagement. It can even analyze your storytelling techniques, helping you craft more compelling narratives. So why not embrace these innovative tools? Experimenting with AI can unlock your writing potential, allowing you to explore new avenues of creativity and elevate your storytelling to new heights. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Step into the captivating world of virtual reality art where creativity knows no bounds. Platforms like Tiltbrush allow users to paint in a 3D space, transforming your artistic vision into immersive experiences. Imagine swirling colors and shapes around you, creating a vibrant environment that feels alive. AI plays a crucial role in this process by suggesting color palettes and design elements, helping you make informed choices that enhance your artwork. This technology not only streamlines the creative process, but also inspires new ideas. So why not explore your artistic side through VR? Dive into this innovative medium and unleash your imagination like never before. The landscape of music creation is evolving, thanks to AI technology. Tools like Amper Music empower users to compose original tracks effortlessly, allowing anyone to become a music creator regardless of their background. These platforms provide intuitive interfaces that make it easy to experiment with melodies and rhythms. Additionally, AI can analyze current musical trends, offering insights that inspire fresh compositions tailored to contemporary tastes. This means you can stay ahead of the curve while exploring your unique sound. So why not collaborate with AI in your musical journey? Embrace this innovative technology to create unique pieces that reflect your artistic vision and resonate with listeners. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Welcome to the future of gardening, where AI technology is transforming how we care for our plants. Smart gardening systems like Click and Grow utilize AI to create optimal growth environments, ensuring your plants thrive with minimal effort. These innovative systems monitor factors like light, moisture, and nutrients, adjusting conditions to suit each plant's specific needs. Additionally, AI can provide personalized care tips, helping you understand when to water, fertilize, or prune your plants for maximum health. By embracing this technology, you can adopt sustainable gardening practices that not only enhance your green thumb, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Dive into smart gardening and watch your garden flourish. Get ready to revolutionize your fitness journey with AI technology. Apps like Freeletics are leading the way by offering personalized workout plans tailored to your individual goals and fitness levels. These intelligent platforms analyze your performance and preferences, creating routines that keep you motivated and engaged. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also track your progress over time, adapting your workouts to ensure you achieve optimal results. This means you'll never hit a plateau and can continuously challenge yourself. So why not integrate AI into your fitness routine? Embrace this innovative approach to enhance your workouts, boost your motivation, and ultimately achieve your wellness goals more effectively. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. In this video, we explored a range of innovative AI-powered hobbies that can significantly enhance your personal growth and creativity. From AI-enhanced creative writing and virtual reality art creation to smart gardening and AI-driven music composition, these activities offer exciting opportunities to express yourself and stay engaged. As we approach 2025, embracing these technologies is essential for staying ahead and enriching your leisure time. We encourage you to dive into these hobbies and discover the endless possibilities they offer. If you enjoyed this content, Please subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who might also be interested in exploring the fascinating world of AI-powered hobbies.